This tutorial will guide you through creating a credit on account for your client for an item invoiced. First, go to the accounting menu and select Returns and Credits under Accounts Receivable. Enter the project order code that you wish to refund and select a refund type for how you wish to return the funds to your client. The refund types to choose from are to write a check to your client, credit your client's credit card, keep a credit on account, or increase your client's retainer. For this tutorial, we will select to keep the credit on account. Next, select if your refund is for an item that has a deposit or has been invoiced, or if it is a project retainer. In this tutorial, we are going to refund an item that has been invoiced. If we know the invoice number that the item is on, we can optionally enter that invoice number here. Doing so will narrow our item list down so that we only see the items on that invoice number. Tag all of the items that you wish to refund to the client on the left-hand side. As you follow the columns across, you will see the total invoiced previously and the amount to refund. If the item was taxable, the tax will be included in the total amount to refund. If you do not wish to refund the full amount to the client, select the pencil icon to edit. Check the override box and remember to enter positive values. Edit the price to invoice column for each of the different component types to enter the value you wish to refund. For example, if you wish to refund the full merchandise but none of the freight, we will edit the freight to 0. To refund the full merchandise price, we will leave this amount alone, and the system will know if the item was taxable and whether or not to refund the tax. When the total item price is correct, select OK. In this tutorial, we are going to refund the full amount, so I will select Cancel in order to remove this override. Once all items to be refunded are tagged, check that the total refund at the bottom matches what you wish to refund. Remember, this amount will include sales tax if the item is taxable. You may optionally enter a transaction description to describe the refund. You may also optionally change the date and fiscal month if you wish the credit to be in a different date than the current one. When ready, select OK to process the credit. Design Manager will warn you that it is ready to process the credit. Select OK. Next, Design Manager will confirm that the credit has been processed and ask if you would like to see the existing invoice to reprint the credit you created. Selecting Yes will take you to the Client Invoices Existing tab. Here, you can highlight the invoice and reprint it. There is one last process that I like to suggest, and that is that you go back to your projects and specifications and mark the refunded item complete. Simply find the item refunded and right-click on the color-coded status column and select Complete. This concludes our tutorial for refunding a client on account for an item invoiced. To review more tutorials and knowledge base articles, please visit our Help Center at designmanager.com.